Today, we're diving into some fascinating topics that I think you'll find really engaging. If your AI apps cannot generate accurate images of latest phones like iPhone 17, try this method to get your own images faster. Welcome to my new channel. I share valuable tips like free apps and websites to make you smarter, faster, and financially better.
Let's get started.
Open Chrome on your mobile phone and type FreePic. This is a website where you can get to download high-quality pictures of any images to your phone for free. Especially if you don't have the Pinterest app. Search for iPhone images and download the ones that suits your taste. You can download up to 10 images per day for free on FreePic.
What if you have the Pinterest app where you just download it now? That's good news, because it's even more aesthetics, giving an edge to your design ideas.
Head over to the Pinterest app if you have it on your phone to get super ideas and images of the latest iPhone 17. On search bar, type iPhone 17 to find numerous designs for this project or design ideas. You can download as much as you want. Once you are satisfied, head over to Play Store. Search and install the Photoroom app.
You don't want to download the Photoroom app? Do you know it has an option that removes background smoothly and allows you to download HD version for free?
Then open the app and click on Start from Photo. Choose any of the downloaded pictures from your gallery to remove its background. In this app, you also have the option to change the background to any images you want just by typing the background. Then it instantly generates a new background based on your prompt. Let's use another image, but this time, we are going to pick a better background. In this app you still have the option to edit the background before exporting it, whether by adding texts or adjusting background. With this option you can make as many as possible images or any product just by removing the background and adding a better one. Here are some beautiful examples. Our next video will show how to generate unlimited text-to-speech for free with a secret app on the Play Store.
Thanks for watching this video. Hope you learned something new. Ask any questions now or check our profile to watch more of our videos. Bye.